Hi, today we're gonna make Chinese mushroom with chicken. We use 4 pieces of chicken leg meat and don't use the bone. We're just using the meat. So I show you how to take the bone out. So all you have to do, you just you can leave little bit of skin on it. So you do it like that. It's about 2 pounds, about 4 chicken leg. But this is a medium size. I use four pieces. It's about 2 pounds. So you cut that piece out like that, and you leave it big chunk like that, big a chunk or a little bit even smaller. But this should be okay. Maybe cut it down like that, and the drumstick you have to take the meat out too. Like that. And you cut it like that. You trim this smaller piece, and that's it. Okay, so we got the meat here. So we're gonna marinate them. You can use 1 egg white, little salt, and some white pepper. We're gonna put little soy sauce in it. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Make this together like that. And put some cornstarch in it. It's still too wet, and we just put some more in it. So that's about right. That's about right. And after that, we put the oil in it, kind of loosen them up a little bit. Okay, see they kind of loosen them up. So okay, it's ready. So we're gonna start cooking. Cook with some black mushroom, Chinese black mushroom. It's a dry mushroom, and you have to soak in water overnight, and they get bigger. They're almost double size. And also the wood ear, they call that wood ear and tree mushroom like that, and they're dry too. And you can soak this in the water overnight, and that will get soft like that, almost double and triple the size. Okay, and piece like that, you cut it in kind of sideways like that, and make it kind of bigger slice like that. You don't cut the strips so they look bigger, like that, and all of them like that. See, like that. You're going to using a few slices of gingers, the small onion, the little onion, cilantro, and the onions. 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, so you put the chicken in it. See, they are big pieces. Yeah, that's it. Just big enough to cook it. Try to browning them, and you don't have to be 100% cooked, because we're going to cook them later. Only thing we want to do is try to brown the chicken. Yeah. So they're okay. See, they look real good. You can see them browning them pretty good. Okay. And you need to do the both sides. And get it done at least 80% cooked. We're gonna cook them more later. Just a little bit oil. Okay, so you put the onions in it, kind of browning them a little bit, and the ginger and the onion. Fry them a little bit. And also put 1 tablespoon of garlic in it. Then now you can put the black mushroom and the wood deer in it. Okay, one tablespoon of soy sauce. Couple tablespoon of wine, cooking wine, and you put the chicken in it. Then you're gonna put some water in it. One cup water. 1 cup of water. So after you're boiling, so you cover them up and you turn it down a little bit. Turn it down the heat a little bit, medium heat. Cook it for 5 minutes. Oh, okay. It's about 5-6 minutes. Use a knife to cut one piece up. Cut one of the pieces up like that. Find the pieces, big ones, and you cut them up like that. You cut it up like that, they're cooked, see, they're white, and cooked. Okay, so it's ready. So we put 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. Just 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. White pepper. The onion and the 小人草 in. And also we're going to put a couple 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it. Like that. See, they start thickening. See, the sauce is start thickening. So you keep cooking, you'll get bigger and bigger. Just keep high heat, using a high heat and keep cooking. Keep kind of turn them. If you want a more thicker, you cook it longer. That's good because you can get more flavor into the meat and the mushroom. If you're more cooking them. They're getting there. See, it's getting. Okay, so you put them on the pit. Okay, we scoop them up. Okay, this is chicken with Chinese mushrooms.